Hi, this is Ann with SVG Cut File, and today I'm going to show you how to curve or arch text in Cricut Design Space. All right, let's get started. First, we'll come down here to open Cricut Design Space, and we'll start a new project. I'm going to make my window a little bit bigger, and then I'll come over here to the text tool. When I click this, a place to enter text will just appear on the screen, and I'll start typing arched text. Okay, and now we can just click on this and move it up. Now when you start typing text, there's an added bar up here, and this is where we can find how to curve the text. So here it is right over here. I'm just going to click on that. And then I'll get this little slider and we can increase it to curve the text like this. And we can go all the way around, but of course that looks pretty bad. So I'm going to do about like this. That looks pretty good to me. Now usually when you see arched text, the top will arch up like this, and then the bottom text will arch down like this. It won't arch all the way around and then be upside down. So you'll have right side up text here and right side up text that is curved down here. So to get our arched text on the bottom, we're going to have to make a copy of this. So I'm going to Command C and then Command V on my keyboard. If you're on a PC, that's Control C and Control V. Okay, and then let's come up to this curve again. And we've got 5.26, so I want it somewhere around there. Maybe like that. And we'll move this down. Now our spacing is quite a bit wider, so I'm going to bring that in with letter spacing right up here. And we'll just put it at -0.3. Okay, that's pretty good. I'll click on it and curve it a little more. That looks pretty nice. Okay, now to kind of finish off our design, I want to add some stars in here. So I'm going to come over here to the shapes and choose star. And then I'll just add a star to the screen, and I'll resize this and make it pretty small. Put it right here. And I'm going to copy and paste that and put one right over here. And now I'm just going to add a letter inside, and I'll add the letter A. So I'm going to get on my text tool, I'll type A, and I'll click on it and drag it into the middle and resize it till it's really big. And I'll just come up here and change the font. I don't really like the Cricut fonts, so I'm going to use my system fonts. And I'll choose Amazinga, this one right here. We'll make it really big. Then we can select all with Command A or Control A on a PC and come down here to attach. And I'll move this right up here. And then we would go to make it. Attach keeps it all in the same place. Otherwise, it can mix it up just based on saving mat space, if that makes sense. Okay, but I always like to attach mine. So we'll cancel out of that. And that's all you have to do to get arched text in Cricut Design Space. Alright, if you like this video and you want to see more like it, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell beside it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out, which is every Tuesday. Alright, thank you.